Kia ora, I'm Rachel. We're here at the ARTA Staff Sustainability Workshop. Today they're trying to figure out how to make Christmas more sustainable. So let's see what they've come up with.
Throw out stuff, try to throw out the least amount as possible. Try to recycle as much as you can. Around the home and the garden, go as natural as possible. So sprays, fertilisers, things like that. We'll try to make some food yourself. So don't try and buy the fast food stuff or things with lots of packaging.
Homemade gifts, so do preserving, baking, all those kind of things to give to people.
And be mindful. So think about what you're supporting, pre-planning, so you can save time, resources.
We thought about recycled paper, so if you've got children using their artwork and things like that as wrapping paper, so you're repurposing things. Giving experiences rather than gifts, so thinking about what can you do with someone or what they can do that's fun, like surfing lessons, bike passes, or if you've got children, there's lots of different passes you could give them. Use local makers, so that means it's not having to travel to you to be used, to be gifted, and then you're supporting people within your community. Don't overdo food, so think about really how much you eat. You don't have to eat heaps, you just have to eat food that you like, if that's something that you like to do.
Giving plants as a gift so that people could put plants in their garden. And I quite like the idea of do a big bake-off where you make all your beautiful Christmas cakes and they could be your gifts to people, because Christmas cake takes a lot of time, things like that.
You can try these ideas at home. From all of us here at ARTA, have a safe, merry and very sustainable Christmas.